Hi guys! Today we're gonna open 50 egg surprises! Let's start with this frozen egg surprise. And it's the frozen Anna. Olaf from Frozen. We have candy, shaped as the castle. And we have stickers. We have stickers. And the flyer. Disney Princess. We have stickers. And we have candy that is shaped like princess. Avengers. We have stickers and candy. Paw Patrol. We have candy and stickers. Chocolate Treasure. We have a puzzle. We have another puzzle. It's a turtle on the surfboard. Minion surprise egg. Another puzzle. And the PlayDoh egg surprise. What do we have? Oh look, it's Chili from Doc McStuffins. Let's see, what do we have in this eggs? We have the Paw Patrol eggs. We have SpongeBob eggs. Oh, look, he's painting an egg. It's so cute. And we have Turtle Ninjas. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, we have candies shaped like Turtle Ninja. Now let's see the Paw Patrol eggs. we have candy. SpongeBob. And we have candy. Another blue Play-Doh egg. It's Blue from the movie Rio. Hello Kitty chocolate egg. Delicious chocolate. We have playing cards. Here's the flyer. They're so cute, so little. A chocolate treasure with minions. It's a bracelet. How cute. Next, let's open this egg. Chocolate treasure, chocolate egg with toy. Oh, we have another set of playing cards. These are so little and so cute. Next, we're gonna open the Hello Kitty surprise. And we have stickers. Let's see what we've got in this egg. We have a Minnie Mouse and M&M chocolate. Big pink one. Oh! We have Finnick, who's disguised as Ellie. And we have Nick Wilde from Zootopia. And gummy bears. A green surprise egg. We have George from Peppa Pig. We have Candy. And Donald Duck. And the green Play-Doh egg. it's Pascal from Tingled. Another chocolate egg surprise. We have a little toy. This flyer says that the toy is a water squirter. Another Minion Egg. Here's the flyer. And we have a magnet. You can put this magnet on the fridge door. Another Minion chocolate egg. We have a Minion toy. A Hello Kitty chocolate treasure egg. We have a Hello Kitty. A Minion egg. We have a Minion. Now we have two Minions. We have Stuart and Bob. 1, 2, 3 eggs left to be opened. We'll open the Minion egg. We have another bracelet. How cute. A Hello Kitty. We have a toy. It's a spin top. And the last surprise egg. Let's see what's inside. A puzzle. We have a Hello Kitty in a house. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and subscribe to my channel so you can be the first ones to see my new videos.